Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about the Lairlux EM03 deep tissue massage gun. It says it's whisper quiet, has large battery, strong motor, 20 speeds, which are definitely a lot, comes with a lot of different heads. Here we have the specs. You can see the 20 different settings are between 1200 and 3200 rounds per minute, and we get it also in this nice carry bag. And as far as I've seen, it's sometimes also called the Lairlux EM03 Pro. Here I don't see the Pro, but let's also check if there are some Pro features or so. We definitely have a lot of gears, but it's not something which I usually recommend. We have a lot of different heads, but exactly the thing which we need, nothing too crazy, just about normal standard. We have also one softer head here, everything else is hard, exactly what we usually expect. And see, here's the charging cable, works worldwide. And here we have the core device, to charge. You have to plug it in here. When it's fully charged, we can turn it on. By the way, while charging, it's not recommended to be used. And also, if you're interested in even more information, there's the quick instructions manual. I hope you can read everything when it's focusing, especially specs here. And in the back, which is really interesting, we have this information about how to treat the different body parts, how long and with which functions. This could be very interesting. Also different heads here, and then of course you want to know how to apply the heads. We see this is perfectly round also here, so there's no notch or so, which you see sometimes in these deep tissue massage guns. So we just push it here inside. It's not too hard, not too soft, I would say, just about right. It has a really nice hold, so we are definitely not going to lose that. And to remove it, just pull here. Sometimes we can also a little bit twist, especially here, definitely no problem to remove it again. And then how to use it, push this thing here again inside. We turn it on here, it goes into 0 speed. We see also the battery settings, comes with 5 different battery settings. I think the 99% then goes down to 80, 60, 40 and so on, so there's nothing in between. And then when we want to use the different speeds, we can just push here, and so it goes into first setting, which is 1200 rounds, and with every push it will increase then by 100 rounds. So we have now 1300, 1400. But we can also increase it much faster when we just long push here. That works pretty fast. By the way, the display looks much better than what you see here. It's really nice, beautiful blue. What's important to know, we cannot just turn it off right from here with one single button here. You would have to turn it off from here and then start over again. This is maybe some small disadvantage, but what's really good is that we have a really fast increase of the speed, because we have a lot of speeds. Usually I don't recommend to buy such massage guns with a lot of different speeds. A lot of pro devices, they have just about 3 or maximum maybe 5 different speed settings. That's usually enough. If you have 20, then it's important to have a really fast increase and fast slowdown, and this is what we have here. There's no real button here, it's just like a sensor button. It's also really nice. So this definitely works really good, and when we turn it down to 0, it will stop, not immediately but really fast. And what you already heard is that it's pretty quiet, and I would say this is definitely something which you can call pro. When you move it around a little bit, it increases the audio level a little bit, but it's still very quiet, especially when you hold it here like in a straight position. Then it's really very quiet, much more quiet than a lot of other devices. So we can definitely accept this pro thing. It's also very strong on every level. What it has also some safety thing. When you push too much, it will turn off, and also when you're using it for more than 10 minutes continuously, it will stop then, but you can restart it immediately. It's just like a little bit of safety precaution. So I would say it's definitely on a really good quality level. If you can get this thing for around, I would say $100 or a little bit more, then it's definitely a buy. I wouldn't buy this for maybe $200 or so, but in the $100 area, that's definitely a good thing, I would say. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.